What are the requirements for using Afterpay as a payment option on Amazon?
Afterpay is a popular buy now, pay later service that allows customers to pay for their purchases over time in interest-free installments. This video will guide you through the requirements and steps for using Afterpay as a payment option on Amazon.
Is Afterpay available on Amazon?
As of September 2021, Afterpay is not directly integrated with Amazon. However, there is a workaround that allows you to use Afterpay for your Amazon purchases. Keep in mind that this information might change in the future, so it's important to verify the availability of Afterpay on Amazon before making a purchase.
What are the requirements for using Afterpay?
To use Afterpay for your Amazon purchases, you need to meet the following criteria. 1. Be at least 18 years old. 2. Have a valid and verifiable email address. 3. Have a valid mobile phone number. 4. Reside in a country where Afterpay is available. 5. Have a valid credit or debit card linked to your Afterpay account.
How can I use Afterpay for my Amazon purchases?
To use Afterpay as a payment option on Amazon, you need to follow these steps. 1. Create an Afterpay account. If you don't already have an account, sign up for one on the Afterpay website. 2. Purchase an Amazon gift card. Afterpay can be used to buy Amazon gift cards from approved retailers. Find an approved retailer that accepts Afterpay and purchase an Amazon gift card for the desired amount. 3. Apply the gift card to your Amazon account. Log into your Amazon account, go to Your Account, and select Gift Cards. Enter the gift card code to apply the balance to your account. 4. Shop on Amazon. Browse Amazon and add items to your cart as usual. When you're ready to check out, your gift card balance will automatically be applied to your purchase. While Afterpay is not directly integrated with Amazon, you can still use it as a payment option by purchasing Amazon gift cards through approved retailers. Make sure you meet all the requirements and follow the steps outlined in this video to successfully use Afterpay for your Amazon purchases.